As an occupational safety officer for WorkSafeBC, I'd like to see a little better collaboration and communication between the layout engineering phase and the harvesting phase. The hazard identification in the layout phase can go a long ways towards improving the planning of the overall operation and the safety of the fallers.
When they're doing layout, they need to look at the whole operation together. Skidding direction, where the road placement is, the lean of the wood, how the faller's going to fall it compared to where it's got to go, what landing it has to be skidded to. Communication is really, really important. So everybody's working on the same page.
I think for myself, what I've improved the most on is just by having the opportunity to see my work after it's been logged and the opportunity to talk to logging contractors either during the logging or afterwards. So that communication between planning up front and the execution is where most of your learning opportunities are.
Sometimes a project goes through 10 people, from recceing a block to replanting a block. It is really important that you're going in, you're taking the time to understand the block, and then you're discussing it with other people, and even going out during the falling phase and see it happening and getting feedback, and just like keeping that dialogue flowing, because I think it's the only way that you learn and grow.
Fallers and layout engineers educating each other on each other's jobs would make a big difference. Showing, what we come across on a daily basis with the timber type and terrain and danger trees and hazards. I know in our business, you learn every day, and the day you stop learning is the day you probably should get out of the industry.
Everyone has to realize we're all a team out there trying to get the job done, from engineering and planning to falling to harvesting of the logs. We are all working together, and the more communication we have, the better.
I'd like to see the industry looking at opening the lines of communication. I think whenever we can cross-train and cross-reference what we do in the forest, I think it has huge value, and it ultimately will improve the health and safety for hand fallers.